Hey. So there is this trade opportunity hapa tulipata kwenye gold after kuona market imeenda juu kwa muda mrefu. Let me draw for you hapa something. Market ilienda juu kwa muda mrefu sana, then suddenly ika break, then ikaja kufanya pullback na kuvuta more power kwa ajili ya kudrop. So I was a little bit late to the market. Nikaona wacha will enter here. I will risk almost 23 pips, $23. Nikiwa na target this low here before this big push to the upside. Nikaona somewhere around there. Then yeah, as you can see, sasa in profit. But not only that, I have another pro farm top 1 traders. Utaona hapa iko pia juu, and this was the trade here. I risk let's see, nili risk like $20 nikiwa na target almost 160. Utaona yenyewe nileke a little bit further kwa sababu I can even hold it longer. So yeah, the same risk to reward, and this is good pale vile. Yeah, so simple strategy. One simple strategy can make you a living. Have a nice day.